So can you introduce yourself and the company that you represent today at Google I/O?
Sure. My name is Greg Boudevane, and I'm the general manager of eHow. And eHow is the world's largest how-to site. 32 million people come to the site every month, and they're there to learn how to do just about everything. So something as simple as boiling an egg, something a little more complex like formatting a hard drive.
Very cool. So you have an Android application that you guys have been developing. What were your motivations behind creating a mobile application?
Yeah, we do. We have an Android application in beta right now, and we're really focused on making what we're doing on the Wired site more portable and accessible to people on the go. You can imagine how-to information. You're not always in front of your computer when you want to fix something or learn something. So mobile applications are the heart of that in getting that accessibility and portability. And Android comes to the table with a lot of unique features that we feel replicate what we're already doing on the Wired site and made it really attractive for us to work with.
Cool. Can you tell me about what were the specific features of Android that you found that were useful for your application?
Sure. We were really focused on the latest release, the Cupcake release. So for us, a site that has 160,000 professional videos, the video upload, the capture and play feature was just really something that huge for us. So we're really focused on that. And then plugging into some of the deeper ingrained functions of the phone, being able to hook into the photo libraries, photo galleries and the video galleries, the email clients to distribute information. That all came to work together.
Great. So what was the biggest technical challenge that you faced while developing the Android application?
Yeah, I think the biggest challenge came from video. It was the feature that we wanted to get in there, we wanted to showcase, but having a library as big as ours, how could we do that in a quick manner? We wanted to develop in an aggressive time frame. And we really solved that through another Google technology, which is YouTube. We were able to plug into our YouTube library of videos and use the YouTube data APIs and player APIs to not only call our videos, but stream them and show them to users on the phone. And so it was a great solution for us.
Great. So what specific tips and tricks did you use in developing your Android application?
Yeah, I think the great thing about Android, it really allows a developer and our development team to tap into core features that exist on the platform and in the phone. And I just mentioned being able to link into a photo gallery or a video gallery and connect to media that someone already has on the phone. I think those are some quick tips and tricks. And then ultimately, being able to rely on YouTube to access video data and play it solves a lot of the problems that someone might have if they have to create their own video player.
What is your favorite aspect of the Android development toolchain and process?
Yeah, if our developers would probably say, I think the feature they liked the best was just the ease of debugging. They felt that it was really easy to work with, and then the documentation was good, the resources were good. Ultimately, I like how seamlessly it is to work and call all the other features of the phone, and that makes it that you're not just building a single application, you're building something that leverages what's already there in the platform.
Right. So can you talk a little bit more about those features that you're pulling?
Sure. Our application is really about people finding information, so searching articles and searching videos, but then the ability to play back, so playing back a video. And then what we've really done is try to plug into some of the features of the phone that allow users, what they're doing on our Wired site, being able to upload their content, do the same on the phone. So allowing someone who's taken photos of tasks that they've done or projects, or a video of something that they just saw, and then being able to pull that off their phone and upload it onto the Wired site through their phone, and then immediately click the share button, and they're plugging into the email client and they can share with their friends and family. I think that makes the whole experience work well.
Right. So I know that your application is first being launched on Android. I guess, is there a specific reason why you chose to develop first for the Android platform?
Yeah, I think Android has really matured the mobile market to a point that we feel we can do a lot of what we're doing on the Wired site now on the mobile application side. So video is of course very attractive to us. I think there's a couple really cool features in Cupcake. the home screen widget, speech recognition for search. We have 600,000 articles and 160,000 videos, and being able to make it really easy for people to search by talking to the phone or going through, I think all of those things really felt to us that Android was the right platform to launch it.
Great.
Yeah.
And I know that this is the first application that you have built on this platform. What would be your tips and advice to other developers who are looking to develop a mobile application for the Android platform?
Sure. First and foremost, obviously rely on the great information that Google provides in documentation and resources. But ultimately, I think it's really useful, and we found it, to actually have a handset that's running Android, because there's only so much that you can do in an emulator style fashion, and at the end of the day, whether it's how you've crafted the design, being able to look at it on the phone and see how large the font size is, and is that the right behavior that I want, and is it calling the right functions, that was kind of the biggest lesson learned for us.
Great. Well, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.
And I hope you enjoy the rest of the Developer Conference.
That's great, we will.
All right. Thanks,
Thank you.
Greg.